going hoo hoo hoo. It's the wise old owl on a branch so new. Flap your wings and blink your eyes. Let's say hoo to the nighttime skies. Who's in the river going quack quack quack? It's a happy duck with feathers on her back. Waddle left and waddle right, quack with joy from day to night. Quack 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 quack. Who's in the field going baa-baa-baa? It's a woolly sheep near the red barn star. Jump and bounce, don't be shy. Say baa-baa as you pass by. Baa-baa-baa-baa. Who's in the trees going ee-ee-ee? It's a cheeky monkey swinging free. Clap your hands and swing along. Monkey's call is loud and strong. Who's in the grass going hiss, hiss, hiss? It's a slinky snake that we can't miss. Slither slow and twist around. No legs here, just slide on the ground. Hiss, 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 hiss. Animals big